Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my altered book that I've just finished. Okay, so let's start with the front, or with the cover. This is an altered book I got from the library. I took the pages out. All of the progress or process videos will be linked in the description box so you can see exactly how I've done everything in here. Well, most of it, not all of it. There's a playlist, I'll put that in the description box. So on the cover I've put some pattern paper, then I've stuck this crocheted doily, then I've made a pocket using some printed vellum, and I've added a couple of handmade flowers and some cheesecloth in there to decorate the pocket. I have made two tags. These are white on the back, so there's writing space on there. They have little stamps, they're stitched around, and they have some dangles on the front. A couple of dangles that I made earlier. I didn't actually make these in the videos that go with this journal. So that's the two tags, and they just sit in there. One bigger one, one slightly smaller one. They sit in there like that. And on the back we have the other half of the doily, some pattern paper, and I've used eyelets for my closure with some sari silk. I've got assorted sari silks throughout, and I've used sari silk for my tie or my closure, as I just said. So this just ties in a bow. Okay, so let's open it up. Here we have a little bit of decoration on the side. We've got some lace on the edge of the side pocket. You'll notice that almost everything in here will be stitched around. I've put a little label here. I've got an envelope in here that I made using this same paper, and inside the envelope I've just put a couple of pieces of nice quality book paper. So that pops back in there. This was one of the pages in the actual book, and I have left it in there, and I've stenciled on it with some vintage photo ink. So a nice writing page there. On here we have a envelope that is also a pocket. So there's a pocket behind it here. I haven't put anything in, but you can put something in there. There's some writing paper here, some of the pattern paper that you can write on the back of, and some plain coffee dyed paper as well. So all of these pieces are in there just for a little bit of writing space. Got a little bit of embellishment down here. Okay, so in this page we've got a large pocket. So we've got a full page here that you can put photos or whatever you like to do. And we've got a large journaling tag here. And we've got a little butterfly dangle hanging off of the tab for that one. Okay, and here we have a lovely writing page. I've done a little bit of embellishment on this. A stamp. I've used that stamp quite a few times throughout the album. A wax seal, some lace, writing. Another page here. Now this page opens out like that, and we've got a lot of writing space here. Once again, I've done the stenciling on there, and I've stamped that flower. And in here is a pocket, and we've got a journaling card in there. Over here we have we have a side pocket, and in there we have a journaling card. And I've also put in some pattern paper. It's white on the back so it can be written on, and just a little bit of decorative paper there. There we have another beautiful pattern paper. These are ideal for, you know, putting a photo or attaching something with paper clips or whatever you like here. I've lapped over this piece of, I don't know, I hope I'm not getting too far out of camera there. So this is just a little piece of coffee dyed paper that I have attached onto here using one of these little bulldog clips, one of the tiny ones. Pop them there. Now over here we've got a double pocket. So there's a pocket here and a pocket here. I've got an envelope here and it's got some papers in it. So a couple of documents. These are faux documents. They can be written on, of course. Or you can use them anywhere else in your journal for anything you like. As I said earlier, this journal will be for sale in my Ko-fi shop and my Etsy shop. So that will go in there once I've finished this video. Well, once this video is live, they'll be for sale in there. Here I've made a little couple of pieces of lace, piece of pattern paper, book paper. This one folds out, so it's quite long. This is just a little flimsy or little sample notepad, and then that just hooks over that pocket like so. That sits in there. Here we have a pocket that flips out. So there we have writing space there, and that just seals down, that just holds that in place, it just sits there. Got a little bit of embellishing on there, and we've got a pocket behind it, and in there I've got a tag and another faux document. This one's a bit tight because I've got the pocket on the back as well as this pocket here, so yeah, it's a bit puffed out. Here we just have a beautiful page, beautiful face, a writing page with the stenciling and stamping on it. In here we have a large tag in a top pocket. All of these of course can be written on. This paper is so 3D, I didn't really want to cover it up with too much. Here we have I think that's coffee dyed paper, just with some stenciling on it. There we go, we've got another little side pocket here with a tag, or not a tag, a journaling card and a charm on that. Here we have a flip out page, so that pulls out like that. We've got lots of writing space there. I've put a side pocket here and just a little postcard in there, but you can still write all over that, and you can write on the back here. So there's lots and lots of writing space there. There's this flower here is the same as the flowers on the front, and then these are fussy cut from the paper collection. Here we have a pocket, and to embellish that pocket I've just put a little envelope here. Behind that I've put a little envelope that can fold out and be written on. So that opens right out if you want to write on that. Now tuck that in behind there, so it's a little hidden spot. And in here I've got a little piece of coffee dyed paper as well, just for a little note. Goes there. And in the pocket I've got another postcard. and a seed packet. Down a little bit further. Okay, now here I've just used a small bulldog clip, or whatever they call them, fold back clip. We've got a plain page there, we've got a writing page there with the stenciling, and here we've got a full sheet of coffee dyed paper. That's just folded over there and attached with the bulldog clip. You can fold that in or leave it out, whichever you like. And then we come to the back cover. Here we've got a shaped pocket, so I've fussy cut around a piece of the pattern paper. I've done the stenciling on the background, and I've made a bag, a paper bag, which I've just decorated with some sari silk, and there, you know, you can put plenty of things in there. And I've just put a writing paper and an envelope in there. It can of course be used for whatever you like, journaling, whatever. And that brings us to our back cover. So there we go, there's our little journal for today's flip through. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I love the papers. The papers are so 3D, they just look beautiful. So there we go. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you like my little journal. I think it's cute. It's my first attempt at a altered book, so I'm pretty happy with it. I might make another one further down the track, but I've got other projects in my mind at the moment, so it'll be a while. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.